Hi everyone, Pam here with Green Schools Nova Scotia, here with a quick video just showing you how to join in and use some basic features on Google Hangouts. So when you want to join a Google Hangouts event, someone would have invited you to it. So for what we do in our Google Calendar, we create the event and then we invite the guests to that event. When we invite your email, you'll receive an auto-generated email something like this. In the top of the email, there'll be a little RSVP section where you can click yes, maybe, no, or more options. And then if you scroll down in that same email here, there'll be a Google Hangouts call link. So you can click on that link and it'll open up the call for you. Another option, we also sometimes send out the link alone in a standalone email. There'd be a little bit more to that email than this, but there would be a link and you can click on that link. The third option is if you yourself use Google Calendar, when we create an event and invite you to it, if you RSVP yes, it'll show up in your Google Calendar. So you can click that event in your Google Calendar, and then when the event pops up, you can click Join Hangouts Meet. All of these options, when you click on that link, it'll bring you to this window here. This will be the Meet window. There'll be a little screen that will it'll start your camera, so that'll start up there. And once it loads, you need to click Join Now in order to join the meeting. So when you click Join Now, you will be part of the video call that is happening or the class that is happening. It'll take a second here for the video to load. So once it loads there's some pretty basic features here on the bottom. Here for yourself, so if you don't see these options on the bottom, sometimes you have to click your screen for this bottom bar to pop up. In this bottom bar, we have the microphone, so you can click that on or off to mute your own microphone. Great if there's a background conversation or something like that happening. This middle button is how you would end the call. So at the end of the meeting, you click that to end your call. And then right here is a little camera icon, so you can use that to turn your camera on and off, in case you want to turn that camera off for a little while. When there's other people in the meeting as well, if you are hosting that class or hosting that meeting, you'll see all of their little pictures on the side here, and you can actually click on each person's picture, and then it'll actually show you the little microphone icon, and you can mute them, and then they actually will have to unmute themselves if you ask them a question or if they want to ask you something. So you can mute someone else, and then they can unmute themselves to join back in. And when there is other people in the call here, again, you'll see them all on the bottom here. You can also get a Google Chrome extension called Grid View, which is what I have here. So when I click this little Grid View button, everyone will kind of show up like the Brady Bunch, as we've been calling it, so you can see everyone in the call at the same time. And that's our little Google Hangouts tutorial here today. If you have any other questions, just let us know. Good luck, everyone. Bye.